Hi, I'm weather forecaster Patrick Sumner. I want to update you on the severe weather threat for Monday. Models are still struggling a little bit with the timing of the storm system itself. However, not much of a change with the forecast. It looks like these are going to roll through a little earlier than first forecasted. At first, a couple of days ago, we were thinking it was going to be a midday, even as late as overnight hours, and now it looks like it could even be late morning into the early afternoon. And so that will affect how much instability is available. And right now it looks like that the models are kind of waning a little bit on the instability. The NAM has the most instability right now with about 750 to 1,000 CAPE values, and the GFS is down all the way to 500. And so for a big event around here, you want to see anywhere between 1,000 and 2,000 CAPE values, and that just isn't present. However, the shear remains impressive. The wind fields are just phenomenal with the storm system, and so even if we do not have the instability going, just the wind fields alone will be able to drive some of these storms and hold them together as they move through here. Again, the best threat is damaging winds at this point. We could see some gusts 70, even 80 miles per hour. I would not be surprised to see the Storm Prediction Center heighten the risk to a moderate risk tomorrow, especially from I-65 and east, as that's when they'll have a little more time to destabilize on Monday. And so this still looks like a pretty big severe weather event overall. The tornado threat is not as big as we thought it would be. A couple days ago, we thought the tornado threat would be a little higher. However, it looks like this is going to be more of a straight line wind damage event. And if you guys are wondering about the lighting, the sun keeps going up and then it comes back. So it keeps getting clouded and then it comes back. Anyway, we are still expecting a pretty good severe weather event. It's probably not going to be as bad as it could be because we are not going to have these come in during the late afternoon and evening, which would be prime time for some pretty rough severe weather. So this isn't going to be as bad as first forecast, but please do not let your guard down. That does not mean we will not see severe weather. Please have your NOAA weather radio on Sunday night, and as we head into Monday, keep that on. And if you can, stay close to a TV station as well. I want to get you updated before the NCAA starts. I know a lot of you are watching the Dogs, and I believe it's VCU go at it tonight, and so I'm cheering for the Dogs, by the way, hoping they go all the way. So nonetheless, prepare for severe weather tomorrow. Go over your severe weather plans. Have your NOAA weather radio nearby or be near a local TV station, and just keep updated. Keep an eye to the sky tomorrow night for our far west, and then as we go into tomorrow or Monday morning and into the afternoon, it'll affect the rest of us during that time. And so again, damaging winds, the main threat. Anywhere between 70 and 80 mile per hour wind gust is possible with some of the storms. We still can't rule out an isolated tornado or two as well. And so this still is going to be a pretty good severe weather event. Do not let your guard down as we go into Sunday night and Monday. I'll have more tomorrow in another video forecast. Until then, have a God blessed one.